Hey there, today I'm going to show you how you can train Katie about your business. So you're going to go into the compass area and here you need to paste your website URL. So I can type also, for example, and then you need to press generate. Once you press generate, Katie alone will learn about your business and soon it's going to start populating the information here. She started, she's writing what you're selling, and of course, any detail written here, you can update it, change it, delete it, or add new things that you would like to have. So, for example, if I didn't like this, I can just trash it. And if I want to add a specific point, you can click on the plus and just type here. Once you go over all information and you're good with it, you just need to click save and that's it. You can always come back here and edit any points that you want. You can delete it, for example, and then click save again, and that's it. See you soon.